one of the major benefits to working in your drug development program with Altasciences is our ability to integrate our non-clinical with clinical capabilities. Having those abilities gives the client a full service opportunity as they move through the non-clinical work into the clinical. The non-clinical scientists can actually work with the clinical scientists, giving them some direction if there's specific biomarkers they should be looking for in the clinics, or other directions for potential toxicity that they may be interested in monitoring through the clinics.
This brings the ability, enables us to proceed with data transfer seamlessly, and also brings stability to the client in terms of communication with the scientists as well. In another way, it will also shorten any deadlines or any timelines associated with these phases.